Alright everybody, this is Adam with Yohn's Engine Repair. I got a 200 Evinrude. As you can see, it's a Fitch model, 2004. Been having a lot of problems with it going into limp mode, and running hot intermittently. Changing impeller, thermostat housings, which get stuck in here. These are all brand new now, you can see that there. You got to chip them out with a screwdriver from the old ones because plastic and aluminum grow together. Doing a little research, finding out that this line at the top is a cooler line. Has water that runs through this EMM. This is your computer that controls your fuel injection on this motor. I'm in believance that this line was clogged in here because you could not blow air through it. Pull the top one off, it's pumping water out of it, but there's no air going through the line when you put another hose on it and try to manually blow through there. I'm sorry, I'm bad at videoing. So we take this off, make sure it runs water out of it. Look, switch me around there. Comes out at the bottom and goes around to here, which is your part of your fuel system. You see your fuel lines there at the bottom. I'm holding my hand while I suck at videoing here. Fuel system on the bottom. Fuel lines go up for the injection. This is that other line that comes out of the bottom of your computer. Now this line does come out of the computer. The engine management module runs water through it. It's a great design. Goes here, comes out the bottom down here, and goes into this, which is a part of your exhaust valley. Runs out there and goes out your exhaust. I've been messing with this motor for 2 weeks and is unable to find anything online that even mentioned this, and I happened to stumble across something today that said something about this. Took it off, used my old trusty Georgia credit card here, hooked on top, and could not force air through it itself. So we unhook it there, hook it back in, blow through it. Actually had to put a little siphon to it to pull the trash out of it, and did get a bunch of black trash. You can't see it now because it's been washed away by the motor. But now if we pull this off the bottom down here, you can see water coming out of that exhaust galley down there. This is that's the dead end of this system. Goes here and back into that exhaust galley. Come right here, excuse my yard, I need to cut my grass. Come right here, turn this water hose on. We got it hooked to the flush on it, and you'll maybe be able to hear it gurgling air, and it'll start running water through there. Because as of an hour ago, this will not do this. Again, this is a 2004 Evinrude 200 direct injection motor. It takes it a minute to get all that air push out of it. But there goes your system there. So if this system is not running water through it like it's supposed to, and all it does is plug back in that nipple and it goes back into your oil galley. Not your oil galley, I apologize, to your exhaust galley. It circles it back down through the motor and comes out here at your foot where it runs that water out. Motor runs like a top. Runs like a champ. Couldn't ask for a better running motor. Super strong. But had a problem with the cooling and that intermittent check engine light. I believe that is the problem. I hope that helps somebody else out in the future.